first tell you and then I'll show you the map. So the southeastern part where we are right now was under the influence of the Ottoman Empire. The Transylvanian part where the... We know that in the mid of 1400s is when Bucharest started being mentioned in documents. It's when it started growing as a political power and as an economical power.
That concludes this little walk video by Guru Walk in Bucharest. I thoroughly recommend it. It's a really good way to get some history and get some bearings on your first or second day of arriving in Bucharest. So thoroughly recommend it. The guide was absolutely amazing. I've forgotten her name, but yeah, book it and you won't regret it at all. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.